Most AI image generators just creating images, but Higgsfield's new model Soul Cinema tries to generate movie stills instead. Designed specially for cinematic grade visuals, meaning lighting, texture, framing and atmosphere that actually look like it came from a film. It's the perfect starting point for your further production like video generation. Let's go in. First you go on Higgsfield.ai, here we have an overview about the tool. It has ton of features here like image, video generation, character, mood board and so much more. In this video we will focus on a new feature Higgsfield Soul Cinema. As you can see here are some community results. On the bottom we have our chat prompt here. Make sure Soul Cinema is selected. You can now describe your scene here or add an image. You can change the ratio, the resolution, enhance the prompt, batch size up to 4 images at once and a color transfer. We hop right into it. We want a wide cinematic shot of a lone astronaut walking on a frozen desert. We just hit generate and as you can see the result is exactly that what we wanted. Soul Cinematic is good at cinematic lighting, realistic film grain, strong mood and atmosphere and detailed close-ups. You can further enhance the image by upscaling, enhance it, relight it, inpaint it and change angles. You can also download it or use it further for your videos. Let's try the angle feature, just click on it. Now you can change the rotation. You can also change the zoom. Let's zoom in a bit and hit generate. And here is the result. You have the same scene, the same character, the same environment, just from another angle, like we wanted, a bit zoomed in. It's amazing. Here another example of a cinematic shot of a neon lit Tokyo street at night, rain reflection with a 15mm lens, film grain shot. So you can also create images which are looking like an old film or filmed by an old smartphone. Here a more cinematic high quality one, a close-up portrait of a male science fiction explorer. We can now take these images, which are the perfect beginning for our videos. Just hit animate. For example, you can use Kling 3.0 here. Just add it as the start frame. Then you add your prompt for the video. You can change the duration here and the resolution. You just hit generate and after some seconds you have the perfect video here. As you can see, you can use Soul Cinema to generate your images with a different style, perfect for cinema videos, like this one here, the 50mm lens film grain shot. Let's look at it. It could be a horror movie, it's just amazing. Here the high quality cinematic shot. Or a more dramatic shot. And as you can see and hear, the visuals and the audio are perfectly merging here. Kling 3.0 just nail it here on Higgsfield. You can also generate some old scenes here. Here we wanted a dialogue scene of two people in a dimly lit jazz bar, old style. He perfectly generated our image here. We added a prompt to add a dialogue between the two people and that's the result.
You said you would never come back to this place.
I didn't plan to. But some questions don't stay buried.
And you think I have the answers?
You were there that night.
It's just hilarious. It's a full film production suite here, from generating the images, generating the style of the images, to the finished clips. And that's just 2 features of Higgsfield. You can do so much more on Higgsfield. If you liked Higgsfield Soul Cinema, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.